Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing, well, cannabis yet again. And I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from Bloomberg, that's Bloomberg.com. Article is titled, Thailand Revises Cannabis Rules While Awaiting Delayed New Bill. Quote, Thailand has slightly revised rules on the sale and use of cannabis as a quote-unquote controlled herb while awaiting a controversial bill on the plant that has been delayed due to criticism from lawmakers concerned about recreational drug use. Quoting further, the government in June became the first in Asia to decriminalize use of cannabis, but designated the plant as a controlled herb and banned sales of all parts of the plant to people under the age of 20 and women who are pregnant and breastfeeding. And yeah, that is true. Specifically, it operates under the Thai Traditional Medical Knowledge Act of Buddhist era 2542. So, yeah, no, we talked about this. It's under an act. There is an enabling act. What has happened is Thailand has changed the definition of cannabis from narcotic, which was kind of ridiculous, to herb, controlled herb, which is regulated under that act. And that's what we're doing. So, you know, I find it really interesting, and I get the confusion. There's a language barrier. It's kind of moved really quickly. Understanding the legislative and legal and regulatory sort of nuances to all this has been rather difficult. But at the end of the day, right now, you know, as I've said before, the notion of recriminalization, I just think is absurd. We just don't need to be spending public resources and things on that, especially when we've got other drugs that really are narcotics, frankly, and they do kill people, and we do need to deal with that. You know, to waste time on cannabis, in my opinion, is just futile. That being said, there should be concerns out there, and I get why people have concerns. It should be regulated. It's a controlled herb. It's not a just uncontrolled herb. It absolutely should be regulated. We should figure out the best way to deal with it. It absolutely should not be served to minors. Couldn't agree more with that, and things like pregnant women and all of that kind of thing. So, yeah, there are issues with it, but I don't think people fully understand what's happened to date, and that is it's basically just been reclassified. It's no longer considered a narcotic. It's now considered a controlled herb. There is a legal framework for dealing with that at present. Now, if Parliament doesn't feel like passing another regulatory act to deal with it further, well, then it's just going to be how it is from this point forward.